This model's identity is pressure integrity, verified here before any watch is cleared for dispatch.
A watch like this is built through controlled logistics, clean rooms, and tightly tracked material flow.
Before machining starts, people, tools, and batches are controlled, recorded, and authorized.
Oystersteel begins with iron-bearing rock, extracted in bulk, and graded for consistent refining feed.
Stockpiling separates grades and keeps batches traceable before they travel into industrial conversion. Crushing reduces rock to a manageable size, improving efficiency for screening and separation downstream. Screening stabilizes particle size, making later separation and chemistry control more reliable.
Sampling confirms the feed meets specification, and labels keep ore lots traceable through refining.
Corrosion-resistant steel relies on alloying metals like nickel, sourced and logged with the same discipline. Concentration upgrades ore into a transportable feed, reducing waste and stabilizing inputs for refining. High-temperature smelting converts concentrated feed into liquid metal while removing remaining impurities. Casting freezes the alloy into primary industrial form that can be further refined and standardized. Precise alloy tuning ensures corrosion resistance and mechanical properties required for high-grade watch steel. Continuous casting converts refined melt into uniform billets suitable for industrial rolling.
Rolling refines grain structure and turns billets into workable bar stock for manufacturing. Chemical verification links every bar to its certified batch before it can enter the watch supply chain.
Certified stock is organized for transport while preserving traceability and physical protection. Material travels under documentation control to manufacturing partners authorized for precision processing.
Incoming material is logged, inspected, and matched to purchase records before any cutting begins.
Dimensional checks confirm the steel meets tolerance before it is released for component fabrication.
Certification confirms chemistry and hardness before the material can enter precision watch supply chains.
Paper and digital records travel with every bundle to preserve traceability end to end. Certified stock is loaded carefully to prevent deformation or surface damage during transit.
Sealing creates a verifiable custody chain, from supplier to manufacturing partner.
Materials move under scheduled delivery windows, aligned with production planning.
Inbound security checks ensure the shipment matches its documentation before entry.
Receiving records link the shipment to specific production orders for the Sea-Dweller Deepsea 136660.
Incoming steel is visually checked and reconciled against purchase records before release.
Cutting converts certified stock into manageable billets, sized for case and bracelet components.
Staged billets are now manufacturing-ready feedstock for precision component fabrication.
Rough milling removes bulk material to create the first recognizable geometry of the case. Finish passes bring the case closer to final dimensions and establish precision reference surfaces.
Internal pocketing creates the space that will later house the movement and sealing system.
Precisely located holes enable bracelet attachment and crown installation without compromising strength.
Deburring protects seals and ensures safe handling before surface finishing.
Ultrasonic cleaning strips chips, oil, and abrasive residue from every internal surface. CMM verification confirms that critical dimensions fall within tight tolerances.
Bezel machining creates the track that will later hold the ceramic insert securely.
Hard sapphire is cut with diamond tools to match the deep sea's pressure-rated aperture. Edge finishing removes microchips and prepares the crystal for sealing under extreme pressure. Ceramic begins as graded powder, proportioned carefully to ensure uniform color and strength. Pressing converts loose powder into a dense preform that can be handled and machined. Sintering fuses particles into a hard, wear-resistant ceramic body. Gradual cooling prevents cracking and stabilizes the ceramic structure. Diamond tools bring the insert to exact dimensions and ensure a flawless outer contour.
Laser engraving creates durable, high-contrast depth scales that will later be filled.
Pigment filling improves legibility while preserving the ceramic's surface integrity. Curing stabilizes the pigment before the insert joins the metal bezel.
Link blanks are shaped from solid steel to deliver strength and precise articulation.
Accurate pinholes are essential for smooth movement and long-term durability. Mass finishing removes microscopic burrs and equalizes surface texture before precision brushing.
Directional brushing creates the uniform satin grain that defines the deep sea bracelet aesthetic. Targeted polishing highlights edges while preserving the tool-finished surfaces elsewhere.
Controlled blasting evens texture and reduces glare in high-use areas of the case.
Multi-stage cleaning removes residual media, oils, and polishing compounds.
Human inspection catches micro scratches that instruments alone may overlook.
The crystal is pressed in square to maintain sealing geometry for extreme pressure performance. Mechanical retention locks the ceramic securely while preserving its clean edge profile. Bezel installation completes the protective front architecture of the deep sea case. Every movement enters assembly with documented identity and contamination control. The movement is seated precisely so hands, crown, and seals align without stress. A controlled torque locks the movement in place while preserving serviceability. This multi-seal crown is critical to the model's deep-water performance. The case is now a sealed pressure vessel ready for verification. Static pressure testing checks for leaks before any final timing regulation.
Fine regulation brings daily rate within certified performance limits.
Cosmetic and functional checks confirm the watch meets finish and handling standards.
Documentation travels with the product as it leaves the brand-authorized site toward distribution.